Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an install of the SW-Motech Street Rack. This is the plate and it's going to fit somewhere about here. Okay, so straight out the box, I've not done this before, so I don't have a clue what I'm doing till I start reading instructions and stuff. This came from Louis, L-O-U-I-S. It's took less than a week to get here, and believe it or not, if you're going to get one of these, it's cheaper through Louis than it is through SW-Motech. This is my second rack. I've got a spare one of these and I asked for a change of brackets. It couldn't be done, so this is going to go on. It worked out cheaper than getting it direct. So if you're looking, go and have a look and see if you can get it cheaper elsewhere. If you can, give us a shout out on here, let us know, and then everybody else who's watching can see that there's a good place to get it from. This is where I got this from. Okay, so we'll begin. I did fit the Thunderbox power distributor inside there. I'd like to know what these are for, so if anyone can help me with those, there's that. And then down in there, there's a couple of white ones, which are just blanks for some reason. Anybody who can help me with that, please give us a shout. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is take out these two brackets here and those there, and this will give us the use of this space. So I'll get back to you in a second when I've took all these 4 bolts off and removed that. Okay, so we've got the handle off. We've got one side on and it's loose. So I'm going to show you this side now. I've got a rag in here because, believe it or not, the first time I tried to put a washer behind the bracket, it fell down inside the bike, and I've been messing about with a magnet to try and get it out. I got it out, but just so you're aware and you don't make the same mistake, don't try and put these on without first having a rag down there to help you. So if I can get this in first, you just bear with me while I get round to this side. So I've started that off. Now get the other one. We've got to sort the plate out in the middle. Okay, so the next stage is to put these little winglets onto the brackets that attach to the bike. I've just done one side and now we're going to do the other. So basically, okay, so the next bit is the plate, and for those of you who are watching to this far, God bless you, but still, second mistake. First one, I dropped a washer down the side of the plastics and I had to get it out with a magnet. Second one, I put these plates on the wrong way. So this forward facing bit has to go towards the front of the bike, the little lug. It drops off to the sides at the back. Put that through there. Sit that on the top like that. Put the nut underneath. And that is now fitted. Okay, so that is the box fitted. Street rack, adapter plate and V47 mono key. You'll no doubt see more of this when I'm out and about, especially when I go to the TT, because this is the reason for putting this on. And then after that, we'll take it off and maybe just use a little bag on the side. So that's it finished. SW-Motech Street Rack, adapter plate and a V47 mono key system top box. Perfect for when I go over to the TT, and then after that I can take it off. So I'm just going to show you now. Obviously I can fit as much stuff as I want in there. We'll lock that up and then we open the bottom of the case. We can slide this off. I'll just put that down there. Then we've got this plate. I can open that up, turn, that comes off. And then that is all that stays on there. Okay. If you've got any questions, if you've done this, if you've used a different system, let us know, because I had this on an MT10. I know it's nice. You'd hardly notice it at the back of this bike now when it's like this. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, share it, comment. If you've anything you need to vent, ask about what I've done and how I've done it, then sure, let me know. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Jack, and thanks for being out with me. We'll see you again. Okay, good luck.